Hi, welcome you all to the series of videos on the bank branch audit. We call it as a statutory branch audit or SBA. I'm 100% sure you are going to start your audit in next 2 3 days. I am even sure that for the last 1 month, you all might have attended many seminars or read content with respect to all the provisions, master circular, guidance note, and so on. Friends, in the coming short videos, I'll be uploading in next 2 3 days. I will not talk much about theory because those all already covered by many speakers in many seminars you might have attended. But I want to cover once you step into the bank branch, if you get the data, what are the analytical procedures you are going to follow? Do you know how to get all the quick mortality accounts for the LFR question? Do you know how you can apply a scientific sampling methodology for the question in the LFR, whether the interest rate properly fed into the system or not? As you all aware, there is a concept called large advances. Do you know how to calculate? There is a question whether the bank branch is having a system to follow SMA 0, 1, 2. If at all it follows, is it the same with, is it following RBI norms? There are n number of questions. If you want to answer, those all you must need to answer with the data, with the analysis, using the analytical tools like Microsoft Excel. Don't worry, after watching all the videos, which I'm going to upload in next 1 or 2 days, you will get the solution for all these questions. Before me going further on this intro, let me introduce myself. I am CA Sharan Kumar from Hyderabad. Welcome you all to my channel, The Excellism. Let me share my screen. Yeah, like how we give the disclaimer for any of our work, I would like to give 2 points in my disclaimer that these are my personal views and cannot be construed to be the views of the ICI or my firm. These views do not or shall not be considered as a professional advice. Friends, let me tell you or let me explain you the relevant files which I'm going to consider for the videos. I will talk about automation of IRAC circular. I'll talk about RBI new LFR review. I may talk in between about the Bible for the bank audit, especially for all of us. ICI guidance note on the bank audit 2023. These all are very much required along with your master circulars, annexures, what ICI has referred in the guidance note. However, my videos are more on the analytical procedure. I will not go to each and every master circular and explain you the provisions of it. However, I will talk more about the data and analytical procedure. But before me going further on the analytical procedure, in the next video, I would like to talk about in the guidance note of bank audit issued by ICI. If you open this, I'm 100% sure the pages are hundreds, 8 to 1 2 pages. I know in next 2 3 days, even if you spend full time, you cannot complete. If you have an habit of reading the guidance note every year, what is important for me? I just need to concentrate what is additional in 2013 edition comparatively the 2022 edition. Sorry, 2023 edition comparatively the 2022 edition. But did you find any resource where only 2022 additions are there? Modifications? No. But after all, 22 edition and 23 edition are the PDF files. Can't we compare and analyze? Don't miss the next video. I'm going to discuss how we can compare two PDF files and see what all are the changes happened in 2023 edition of Guidance Note on Audit of Banks. See you all in the next video.